Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this episode, we're headed to Mobile, Alabama to polish a 20-year-old tanker. Let's go. Okay, everybody, so made it out here and gonna be working on this 4,500 gallon tanker. Now, this 4,500 gallon tanker, pretty big. Know that y'all have seen some of the other stuff on the channel, but the videos up until now haven't really showed a whole lot. I mean, so what it is that gonna have a crew out here working. And this is just a test spot here for you. So if you can imagine this entire thing looking like this right here, it's gonna turn out awesome. This front cap right here, we'll probably do some blending on this as much as possible, but did do another spot test right here, which you can see is just a mirror. So it's pretty cool. Let me bring you around to the other side real quick. This is gonna be probably about 40 man hours worth of work. Let's get straight into it. Give me just a sec. Let me put on some gear and stuff. I'm gonna do this entire section here. So let's take a ride. All right, so everybody, so don't know how much that you heard on that last little bit, but basically going to be polishing this section up here, add some shine. Going to put on some PPE. I'm going to grab some of my polishing compounds. Get suited up here. PPE. Don't really want to be breathing the black dust that's going on, but as I stated before, some of these lines that are in here that you see, the chemical burns, there's only so much we can do with that. Chemical burns happen over time. This tank is 20 years old, so there's only so much that you can do. So the idea is to bring back some shine, bring back some color, and that's it. So that's all that you can do. So let's keep rocking, everybody. That turned out good. Turned out great. And now we're going to be going over with another wheel here and another compound. But what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take off all this with this. It's going to make life just a little bit easier at the same time. My goodness, I just thing here. So I'm kind of showing y'all what is actually happening, and I'm kind of walking you through, so that way you have some type of concept of what's actually going on. So doors look good. Can't really talk to y'all right now. As far as in the comment section or the live section, can't see it. We're going remote like this and going to a remote location where the live don't have that ability. So just leave your comments in the comment section and answer the questions as they come through. So All right, y'all. So next section to do is going to be this, and going to be rocking it out. So give me just one moment. I'll see y'all in just a second. Let me go ahead and move the camera around, move some stuff around, and I will see y'all in just a few minutes. We're going to make some finishing passes here. Okay, so on day 2, and just got finished wrapping up for this evening, and temperature's dropping down to about 42 degrees right now, so it's a little chilly. Gonna come back in the morning and complete this. Show you what it looks like. So showing you right now, 4K, 120 frames a second, seeing what this actually looks like. So as you can see, even though the LEDs can play a little tricks on it, as you can see, I mean, it is a mirror. As you can see, this right here is actually done, but what you see here is just a little bit of sealant over the top of that. We started taking it off right here. As you can see, it's a mirror. All that underneath there looks good. Very, very shiny. There you go. Show you how much of a reflection it is. You can see me. Hello. There you go. So we're going to walk all the way down. So just wrapped up on this tanker. Turned out awesome. Turned out amazing. And as you can see, turned out exquisite. Hope y'all enjoy. Getting ready, hitting the road. Gonna be driving over to Lafayette and Alexandria. So gonna be getting on the road. See y'all in just a few. All right, good morning everyone. So this morning headed over to do some courtesy touch-up from tanker. That was done last week, 8 days ago. So, and then wipe it down with some metal polish, some liquid polish, I should say. It's all metal polish. Wipe it down, spread it out. Move it all about. And as you can see, looks good. Looks great. Dry right here. And as you can see up close, you can see the amount of pitting that's in this tank. 20 years old. So
surface is not completely smooth, so you're not going to get the clarity, but you do have a reflection. You just don't have a mirror shine because of all the pitting and all the gouges and scratches and everything else. So something to keep in mind when you're looking at getting a tank polished or anything polished. Beware if you have gouges, if you have scratches, if you have chemical burns and scratches and gouges and stuff like that, it's gonna make the surface hazy. But you're still gonna have a reflection, so it's not gonna be crystal clear. So,
all right, so everyone, so this section of the video is going to be in 4K, and this is the after.
Joyas de oro cargo, también un camaro y ropa de marca que también portamos. Empecé de cero batallando y miren ya lo que logré. Caídas un chingo, ya me he tropezado, me he quedado en cero. Ni pontaco traigo, gracias mis zancudas al